Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw something that a lot of kids like, which is Pikachu from Pokemon. So you can see here that I have actually sketched out the form here. So we will just simply do the outline. Now first of all, we will use a marker and we will start drawing the head. So the head will start from here. So this is the whole Pokemon. So the head will start from here. So this is just a slightly curved line. Right. And from there, we will start drawing the ear. So the ear will start from somewhere. We don't have to go from the edge of the line here. So we will just go a bit in and draw a slight curve up. And then from there on, continue on, and a slight curve down. So this is your ear. From there on, of course, Pikachu has some colors, and we will move on, and then from there on, we will again start from the inside of the line here. Notice that the ear here is the same length as here, so that you will not feel that the ear is different, has a different length. Okay, about same. So we will add another line here. So that will be the head and the ear. Now we're going to start drawing down. So let's start from the left hand side. This will be the face or the head, where you show the eye here. So it is again curved down, and of course towards the right hand side you have a similar curve here. Right, so we completed the head. Now come the face. The face can be usually Pokemon is a bit rounded, so here we will just make it a bit fat. So we will just make it. So here we have the face, and of course we will not draw the full circle here because that will look a bit odd here, and here the face will stop here. Okay, because later on we will see that the hand, this is the hand here, the hand will cover the face here. So this is the whole head of the Pokemon. From there on, you can start to continue drawing the body, or we can just simply start to fill in the eye here. So the eye will be on the upper part of the head. Right? And of course we will add a bit of highlight. Moving on to the right. And also a bit of highlight. Okay. If you can draw the eye that is round. Okay, and of course try to make both eyes look the same here. Next we move on to the nose. The nose is just in between the eye, and so it will just be a little inverted triangle. So say about here, and then this is just an inverted triangle. We will color it later. And comes the mouth, which is around here. So the mouth is just a W, but a very curved W, very wide W. So we can start from here. See, 1 and 2. So it's a curved W. With the mouth, this will be a big V. So from the middle of the W, 1. But the V will not be sharp, it will be rounded V, and 2. So it's a big V here. Again, because the mouth is covering the hand is covering the mouth, so we will not complete the V here. Leave a bit of space here, and followed by the cheek. Yep, that will be the head of the Pikachu. Next comes the hand. So the right hand is actually moving out. So we will start from here. So we have one curve. Of course, we try to cover the hand. Yep. Okay. And from here we will draw. Okay. This will be a series of sharp lines here. So generally, to signify to represent the fingers. So there will be about 4 to 5 here, because 1 here and 4 here. So we 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So there'll be 4 fingers here, but it just be like short fingers. And from there we curve down. So this will be the hand, right hand. Now the left hand will be slightly more difficult, because the left hand, we want to show the cube action. And so from here we start from the thumb. The thumb will be slightly down below the mouth. So this will be a thumb with the 4 fingers showing. So the 4 fingers will be here. So we'll show is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. And then from there on, add a bit of extension here. And from there on, we do a curve to represent the hand, the palm. So it's curved here. And of course, we have the hand coming down. Right, so this will be the hand. Yeah. For the mouth, we will add a curved line to show that the tongue is inside. Right? Next come the body. The shoulder is here. So we move down. Again, a slight curve. Generally, the head is about the same length as the body. So it's like 1-to-1 ratio here. So because it's jumping up, so obviously you find that the leg is coming down here, and the leg is going out. So this side will be higher. So the body here will be slightly higher. So you can see here it is curved. Right. And the bottom of the body is because of the 2 legs. So the middle will be slightly inside. Next come the leg. The hind leg is behind. So generally it will not be so clear. So the hind leg will just be like a curve with the toes here. Toes will be very simple. It's just 2 lines. So we have 1 line here and 1 line here. That will be a toe. Okay. And of course the right leg. This is the right leg. Will have more details because it is kicking up. So of course we want to show the action of kicking up. So we'll show that this thing here will represent the upper thigh. Okay. And from there on, this will be the leg. 1, 2, 3. Right? And with a curve coming down. Okay, here. And of course, a little line behind to show it is kicking up and bending. So that is the Pikachu. And of course, we want to complete the whole thing, showing the tail here. Because this is the front view, so you won't be able to see the tail directly. So we will just simply draw this to show the tail. So the tail is coming up here. So the tail is going up. So we have like a zigzag cross. Okay. Of course, we want to show a big tail. finally curve line to join the line together. Alright, the final one comes the shadow because it's jumping up. So if we don't draw the shadow, you will feel as if it's floating in the air. So we can simply draw maybe just a light. Okay, later we'll color it to show that it is jumping up in the sky. So that is the Pikachu. I hope you enjoy my channel. I will show you the coloring later on. So thank you very much for watching my video. See you soon.